Okay, our next guest is CliQr, and joining us is the CEO of CliQr, Gaurav Manglik. Gaurav, thank you for joining us, and your 3 minutes will begin right now.
Thank you. So CliQr is a cloud application management platform that makes it easy and efficient to move, manage, and secure applications of cloud infrastructures. So we've all heard about cloud. There's been so much buzz, but where are we at today? Apart from SaaS and a small number of new greenfield applications directly written for clouds, the large masses of enterprise business apps have not been yet cloud enabled, and businesses continue to get cloud envy. So why has that been so hard? Well, applications, newly developed or existing applications, are fundamentally different in the way they're designed from the way clouds provide infrastructure, which means that applications have to be re-architected, modified, virtualized, optimized, and secured for a particular cloud infrastructure. That in turn results in cloud lock. Now, CliQr fundamentally changes all of that. With CliQr's product, which we call Cloud Center, applications can be lifted and shifted, onboarded onto CliQr's cloud without the need to modify them, without the need to virtualize them, after which those applications can be run on any cloud, private, public, or a hybrid combination of those cloud infrastructures. So CliQr Cloud Center is composed of two main pieces: Cloud Center Manager, which is a single pane of glass for managing all your applications on all your clouds, which talks with our Cloud Center Orchestrator technology. That's really our secret sauce, if you will, which allows us to take different application types, different application architectures, and run them on different clouds without the need to modify each other. That's really where our breakthrough is. So out of the box, we support all of the top public and private cloud technologies. Not only do we take all the risk away in terms of cloud migration in enabling applications and clouds, but with our multi-cloud support, end users get immediate insight into how different applications are going to perform in terms of availability, price, performance, SLAs on different cloud infrastructures, giving immediate insight into how clouds are going to perform. So with CliQr, finally, enterprises get the ability to take the true benefit of what cloud computing has to offer in terms of elasticity, agility, and scalability. CliQr's pricing model is designed to mimic that of the cloud, taking away all barriers of entry. We do not charge enterprises anything for the migration. Our charging is based on our management for your applications on the cloud, just like how clouds charge on a pay-per-use basis. So we invite you to come to cliqr.com and try us out.
Great.
And that's CliQr, C-L-I-Q-R, right?
That's right, CliQr.
Okay, so let's turn to our judges here. What did you think of Gaurav's presentation? Okay, let's go to Charlie first. Charlie's got a 10 showing, but I'm not sure the way he sneaks up a score.
He's our cloud guy, too.
He's our cloud guy, that's right.
Gaurav, that is very promising. It sounds good. The thing that I'm unsure of is this moving legacy applications into the cloud is such a big problem. What I heard was you can translate or you can identify APIs of an application and then in some fashion neutralize them, translate them to various clouds. My concern here is that not all legacy applications function in the modern mode, and it's still unclear to me how we get there through your approach. So I'm going to give this a 7.
A 7. Until you hear about when they can, how it is they go about making this this conversion. I'm gonna foil you. You look like you're getting ready, Boonsy, to kind of give a score, and I'm gonna go to Art instead, just to throw you a curveball here. Art, you heard lift and shift, which is the heavy lifting part of what Gaurav was talking about. How do you get applications off of their legacy mode into a more modern cloud mode that Charlie was talking about? What do you think?
I'm less worried about the legacy apps than Charlie is, but I think the problem that you're trying to solve is probably one of the first things that organizations that are serious about the cloud should be trying to solve, which is to become agnostic about the various stacks that are underneath all the applications you might have. The only thing that prevents me from giving you a 10 is that I think in a lot of organizations, they still look at the majority of their applications residing in the data center with some sort of overflow out to the cloud. So for them, I think they may think logically, I want this on my data center because that's where most of my work is going on. So yeah, I'll give you a 9.
Another 9.
You're heading down the right track.
Okay. Boonsy.
Well, I think they're generous. I'll give you a 3.
Oh, tough customer. Okay. Why so low?
Well, I understand the need for his product, but I just think that he needs to make a better case for it.
Better case for
like
it.
explain it more.
Mm-hmm.
He could have used the 40 seconds extra.
You could have used the 40 seconds. 3 minutes is a tough time to get it all in there, right? To convince people that you do, because that is a big sell. Hey, we take this application that you haven't been able to cloud enable, and we just through some magic box cloud enable it. And there's a little bit of magic secret sauce there, I imagine, but it needs to be explained, better explained. And I think that was your point, Charlie, as well, right? Yeah. Not only that, how do you maybe, instead of keeping up with the old applications, just figure out a way to migrate to something that's already built for the cloud, that's already SaaS.
It just didn't seem that innovative to me.
Okay. Well, Gaurav, thank you very much for joining us here on Information Week's Valley View. Good luck. Okay.